How to use. This video will show you how to correctly use the terminals with their matching connectors. Many terminals come on long strips, which can be inconvenient to separate. We pre-cut each terminal and place them neatly in the box for easier use. The JST-XH and DuPont terminals are designed for AUG28 wire. This kit includes a 3.3 feet wire bundle. Strip about 0.2 inches of insulation from the wire. This gives you a good length for JS terminals. The lower crimp holds the wire insulation. The upper crimp holds the bare wire. Place the male terminal into the second crimp slot with the open side facing upward. When crimping, watch the small locking tab on the terminal. Do not crimp it, or the terminal may be damaged. Insert the wire into the terminal and crimp. Do not insert the wire too deep to prevent excess wire from extending beyond the terminal. This is the JST-XH female terminal. You can slightly close the V-shaped bottom first. This helps hold the wire in place before crimping. Place the female terminal into the second crimp slot with the open side facing upward. Insert the wire into the terminal and crimp. Do not insert the wire too deep, as the female terminal is shorter and excess wire may extend beyond it. Here is how the JST-XH male and female terminals look after crimping. This is a JST-XH male connector. The bottom of the connector has a keyed slot, so keep the slot facing up. Align the locking lance on the female terminal upward, then insert it into the connector. Once you hear a click, look through the top opening of the connector. If the terminal is installed correctly, it will not move. This is a JST-XH female connector. The bottom also has a keyed slot, just like the JST-XH connector. Keep the slot facing up. Insert the terminal into the connector with the locking lance facing upward. After insertion, flip it over to check that it is fully seated. After flipping the assembled connectors over, both the 2P and 2 revolutions housings have a locking position. Align the locking tabs and press until they click into place. When installing JST-XH 2P and 2A connectors, align the locking tabs, then press until you hear a click to complete the installation. Next, we will introduce how to use the DuPont connector series. The Noxtren connector kit includes 6 different DuPont connector models, allowing you to choose the right connector for your project needs. This is a DuPont male terminal. The lower crimp holds the wire insulation. The upper crimp holds the bare wire. For easier installation of the DuPont male terminal, you can slightly close the V-shaped bottom first. This helps hold the wire in place before crimping. Strip about 0.2 inches of insulation from the wire. This gives you a good length for DuPont terminals. Place the male terminal into the second crimp slot with the open side facing upward. Insert the wire into the DuPont male terminal slowly. Start crimping and squeeze the crimping tool until the ratchet releases. This is the DuPont female terminal. As before, place it into the crimping slot first. Insert the wire, then start crimping and squeeze the crimping tool until the ratchet releases. This shows the finished crimp on the DuPont male and female terminals. Next, we will start assembling the DuPont connector. This example uses a 2-pin 2P DuPont connector. The slots on the bottom of the connector are where the terminals are inserted. The DuPont connector shown in the video is the front view. Prepare the crimped male terminals and the DuPont connector. Insert them with the front side up until you hear a click. The DuPont connector with male terminals is now fully assembled. Install the female terminals the same way as the male ones. Keep the terminal open side facing upward and the connector front side up. Insert the terminal until you hear a click to complete the installation. Assemble the DuPont connectors. As shown in the video, connect the two connectors front side to front side. These are examples of properly crimped terminals. The conductor and insulation are both securely crimped, with no exposed wire and a firm, reliable connection. These terminals show improper or failed crimps. Issues like exposed wire, uneven crimps, or loose connections can affect reliability and should be avoided. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.